How to recover deleted browser history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up your web browser. Open up Gmail on your device. Then tap on profile at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your Google account. Just wait for a second. Then scroll down. Then tap on data and privacy. Now simply scroll down and find download your data. Then simply tap on it. Again wait for some time. Then tap on deselect all. Now simply scroll down and find Chrome. Now select Chrome. Again scroll down and tap on next. Then tap on transfer to. Now select the destination where you want to download. Now simply scroll down. Then tap on create export. Now once the file is ready, you will get an email regarding that. Now from that email, you can download the file and check the Chrome history. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.